Welcome to the assembly manual for the center table Celena. To begin step 1, position part 06 and attach the L accessories. Then attach the F accessories. Position pieces 2 and 3 in the indicated locations and secure with accessory G. In step 2, position the pieces 4 in the indicated locations and secure them with accessory E. Position the H accessories in the indicated locations and secure them with the C accessories. In step 3, fix the L accessories in the indicated locations, then fix the G accessories. With part 07 positioned, attach the F accessories, then place them in the indicated location. In step 4, position the J accessories and secure them with the B accessories. In step 5, position part 05 in the indicated location and secure it with accessories J and B. In step 6, fix accessory L in the indicated locations. With part 1 positioned, fit it into the indicated location and secure it with accessory A. In step 7, position the accessories M and secure them with the accessories B. Finish by fitting the N accessories. In step 8, position part 8 and secure the L accessories. Position the U pieces and secure them. With pieces B and K positioned, make the fixation. Position part 06 and fix it in the indicated location. Fix part W and finish with accessories A. Fix the accessories C and H in the indicated locations and secure them. And to finish, attach accessory D to accessory I.